Yes, sir.
Hubbard, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a couple charges here. You have aggravated assault against a public servant, and you have a cruelty, non-livestock of animal, kill, poison, or cause serious bodily injury. Do you need court-appointed attorneys on your charges?
Yes, sir.
They put you down for yes. Public Defender's Office.
Your Honor, Mr. Hubbard has lived in Amarillo his whole life. He has some sisters here, but that is the extent of his family in town. He reported to me that he's only ever been in trouble for misdemeanors in his past, or no felonies. And he is working, but he makes just enough to get by and pay his bills and things. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected in the setting of the bond.
On the cruelty of non-livestock, it's a third-degree felony. And the aggravated assault against a public servant, they have denied bond on both cases until a district judge reviews your case.
Has to be reviewed by a different judge. It can't be reviewed by him.
We'll get a bond.
Not today, but
Oh,
they're gonna review your case.
I'm still gonna be.
So you'll get an attorney who can let you know what's going on with that, okay?
Okay. Any other questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you.
And then step right up here, speak right in that mic. Judge can hear you loud and clear.
Did you understand your rights as they were read to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a charge here of harassment of a public servant, third-degree felony. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Your Honor, Miss Valdez Guzman, my fault.
You're good.
She has lived here for about 5 years. She does have a job. She was supposed to go in today. She does not know if she'll lose that job if she is unable. She reported to me that she has been in trouble before, but she got time served. She's unsure what level it was though. And so we ask that those circumstances be reflected.
You had a couple of these other charges here. Resisting arrest, search of transport, class A misdemeanor, and criminal trespass, which is class B. County Attorney's Office has recommended a $500 bond on resisting arrest and the criminal trespass. I will go with that on that one. On the felony harassment of a public servant, a $5,000 fine, or fine, a bond, with conditions. You do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. In this trespassing charge, you are not to go within 200 yards of that location or place of employment or victim or any other specifically named place. So wherever you was arrested at, and I'll be going back there.
Yes,
okay? Sir. You have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Speak right in that mic, so Judge can hear.
Ma'am, do you understand your rights as I read them to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a charge here of theft of catalytic converters, over 30,000 to replace. Do you need a court-appointed attorney to represent you, or you want to furnish your own?
I think I have one.
Misty Walker represents her on a different case. I've let Misty know just in case they're gonna put her on this case as well.
Okay, I'll put you down as yes for public defender. You can always change that. Public defender, you have anything to add?
Yes, Your Honor. Is it Quezada?
Quezada.
Quezada. Has lived in Amarillo all of her life. Pretty much all of her family is here, grandpa, parents, brothers and sisters. She is employed, but she only makes enough to make ends meet, so she wouldn't have a lot to put towards a bond today. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected.
Set your bond on the charge at $10,000 with conditions. Within 72 hours of release on bond, the defendant is ordered to wear or carry a GPS device and pay for the costs so associated with that. You must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. If defendant is working during those hours, defendant must be at a place of employment or en route to or from that place of employment and residence. You're not to commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Have any questions, ma'am?
So do I get out?
Oh, your bond's $10,000.
I have to bond out. If I bond, so I have to bond out first before I get the ankle monitor?
Yes, and then you have 72 hours, 3 days, basically, to get that taken care of.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
Right up here, speak right in that mic, so judge can hear you. Okay.
Ms. Bodey, did you understand your rights as they were read?
I not understand too much of it, but yes, I do.
Okay. It's your constitutional rights, right to remain silent, right to have an
Yes, sir.
attorney. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all right. So you have a charge here, ma'am, possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, more than 1 gram, less than 4 grams. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
I'm hearing, I don't need an attorney, I don't think. I'll take the punishment.
Okay, I'll put you down for a public defender. As a yes, you can always change your mind. Public defender, do you have anything to add?
I'm just gonna ask her a couple of questions. She's gonna answer to you. Do you currently live here in Amarillo?
Yes,
How long have you lived here?
3 years now
Do you have any family in town?
in town. My little sister, she's not really too much, but no, not really.
Are you currently employed?
No, I'm looking for a job.
How much money, if any, could you put toward a bond today?
Nothing today. I won't get no money until the 23rd.
We ask those circumstances be reflected, Judge.
Then set your bond at $3,500 with the conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Do you have any questions, Ms. Bodey?
Nope.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
So grab the mic.
Oh, no, just speak into it.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. No karaoke this morning. All right. Mr. Bright, you have a charge of assault on a family member with a previous conviction. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'll put you down for a yes. There also is an additional protective order in this case. Do you have anything you need to add to that public defender before I read that out?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Bright just obtained his master's in cybersecurity. He is working at Tyson. He was supposed to go in today and yesterday, doesn't know if he's gonna lose that job or not. He's been in Amarillo, my apologies, since 2007. His little brother is here, and we did talk, because I assumed there was gonna be a protective order. He is stating to me that that is not gonna be a problem for him to stay away from that person on the protective order.
Okay, so the protective order, I will go ahead and start. It lists you as the respondent or the defendant, the protected person in this case. See, female lives at. This is a several page order here. What I'll do is I'm gonna read and highlight the stuff that you cannot do. I'll send that out to the correction facility, and you'll be able to look it over and read it and sign it. Basically, you cannot do the following. You cannot commit any further acts of family violence or an act of stalking against the protected person in this case. You are not to directly communicate with the protected person or member of that person's family or household in a threatening or harassing manner. You may not commit a threat through any other person to the person protected by this order or that person's family or household. You may not go within 200 yards of the address that I mentioned initially. You may not go within 200 yards of the residence, the workplace, or any other residence, workplace of the protected person and places that she frequents or she's at till she leaves that. If it's like Walmart, she's in there, so you leave. Don't go into Walmart until she's gone. That's an example. Okay. If you have a handgun license, that has been suspended. This is valid through the 22nd day of March 2026. You have any questions on those, sir?
No, I don't have any questions. It's just, she's been stalking my house, so how does that work? Just call the authorities when she's.
If she's violating your protective order by coming within 200 yards of you, yes.
All right, simple.
But she's violating your protective order because she knows that you're going to be on this protective order.
Simple.
And so if she's violating that, then report that. Don't take hands into your own matter. So the recommended bond from the magistrate that has your case is $30,000.
Sweet Christmas.
Beg pardon?
I said sweet Christmas.
Yeah. I'm going to add one more item to the order, and that is that you may not possess any firearm or ammunition while you're out on bond.
No, I don't have none of that.
You cannot commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. And you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. This only other addition is that you must comply with the magistrate's order of emergency protection. So if you violate any of those things, then you will be back seeing somebody again. Okay.
All right.
Anything else, sir?
No, sir. Appreciate you.
All right, thanks, sir.
That's it.
You want to twist it? No, just go back there.
That mic so judge can hear you, okay?
Good day.
Good morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
Okay. You have charge here of interference with public duties, which is a Class B misdemeanor.
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney for that charge?
Not sure.
Would you like a
No.
court appointed? Yes, he would like a court appointed lawyer, Your Honor.
So if you're not sure, I'll put you down for one. You can always change your mind. Public defender, go ahead.
Your Honor, Mr. Thompson is currently in between jobs. He does not have much, if anything, to put toward a bond today. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected. I would also request a 1622 while he's still here.
Okay. You ever been arrested before, sir?
Not in this county. No.
What counties have you been arrested in?
Harris, Bell,
Down south.
yes, sir.
How long you lived up here, sir?
Born in Texas.
Yeah, how long you?
Oh, I was traveling through for the holidays. I'm trying to get home,
Okay.
and I would like to be released today,
And
if I
you're going
could.
to Rosenberg, Texas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is that where you normally live? You work there or what?
I would like to.
You don't have your at the current time you're not working.
No, I'm currently in transition stage. Transition stage.
I'll set your bond, sir, at $1,000 with conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Do you have any questions, sir?
$1,000 bond, if you can pay $100 to get out, then you can go, but if you can't, you have to sit here.
Get to go through my stuff and see if I go. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. Morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir, I do.
You have a charge here of driving while intoxicated. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
I would like to take a court appointed until I could get one of my own, if that would be fine, sir.
That's fine. You can always change your mind. Public defender?
Your Honor, Mr. Johns is currently employed with an electrical contractor. He is supposed to go in tomorrow. He does not know how, if he's not able to get out, how that will affect him. But he is the sole provider for his 4 kids and is it Dwight?
My wife, yeah,
Wife.
we're just separated.
Yeah, for himself and for his family as well. So without him, they don't really have means to pay bills, do those things. He stated that he could put about $500 towards a bond today. So we asked that those circumstances be reflected.
You driving by yourself, sir?
Yes, sir, I am. I also seen that this form that was
I mean,
handed to me.
No,
Sorry.
but my question is, was there anybody else in the car with you?
Yes, sir, there was. Aaron Parker was in the car with me. He actually seen me that night and asked for a ride, or I wouldn't even been headed that way.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I just want to know if there was anybody else in your car. No children or anything else in the car?
No, sir, no children. There was another man in my car, Aaron Parker.
They recommended a $4,000 bond. I'm gonna reduce it to 3. Does have some conditions. Those conditions being wow, that's there. Defendant must not commit any offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while you're out on bond. You ever been arrested for a previous DWI?
No, sir, I have not.
Okay, you're prohibited from consuming alcohol. You are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. And you are to remain at your house between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working. And then it is only to or from that place of employment or your residence. If you drive during your employment, make sure you're going on a call or you're going to or from your place of employment. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, and I did tell you $3,000. All right. All right, thank you, sir. If you don't have any questions, thank you.
Can you say it again?
$300 should be.
Oh, I was already out there at the bond company. She's in me ready. Thank you. God bless you.
You bet.
Your Honor, and I don't know how much English Mr. Moo understands.
Mr. Moo, did you understand your rights, your constitutional rights as I read them this morning? Like
Your
you
Honor,
live
he's usually here pretty frequent. He was here like about 10 days ago.
Okay, for the same thing?
Yes, sir.
We'll set his bond at $500. With conditions, he does not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Does he speak English at all?
I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that he's always coming in here for the same exact thing. He's been coming in here pretty frequently.
Uh,
Do you understand English? No,
Maybe.
a little bit of English.
okay. Do you need a translator to translate this to you? What language do you speak?
What language?
Okay.
What is it?
Correct.
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 Okay.
That's what I think I should.
So, if y'all can get him a thing, an interpreter and explain that to him. It's $500 bond and stuff, so he knows, facts in the case under his own tongue. But also we're gonna get him a 1622.
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe I sent that paperwork out to you already.
Yes, you did.
Okay. All right. If he doesn't have any questions, that's all I got for you.
So we're going to see back in there. So Judge can hear your book.
Yes.
Mr. Chapman, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
You have a charge here of criminal trespass. You need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
No, I don't.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney?
No.
I will put you down for yes, just in case. Well, Vander.
Your Honor, Mr. Chapman has lived in Amarillo for a few years now. He has no job currently and no money to get him out of jail today. He reports never being in trouble before, and when asked about the address, problem staying away from that address.
They listed your address as 200 South Tyler at the Resource Center. Do you stay there or what?
No.
Have you been arrested before on criminal trespass here in Amarillo?
Yeah.
How long ago?
A while ago.
How long's a while?
Like, I went to City Hospital.
When was the last time you were arrested?
I don't remember.
He doesn't remember, Your Honor.
I'll set your bond, sir, at $500 cash bond or surety. With conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while you're on bond. Any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mike, so Judge can hear you okay?
Where's the mic at?
That one right there.
Yeah. Morning, Judge.
Morning, sir. Did you understand your rights as I read them to you?
I didn't hear you.
Did you understand your constitutional
Yeah.
rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a charge, sir, of assault causing bodily injury on a family member. I think the cooling off period has already expired on this one. You need a court-appointed attorney on this charge?
Yes, sir.
That puts you down for that. Public defenders.
Your Honor, Mr. Finch has lived in Amarillo since 2018. He has a stepdad and brother out here. He is currently unemployed and does not have the means to pay a high set bond. He is supposed to get a rebate check at some point, so he might have some money coming in, but other than that, he has no form of income. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected.
On your charge, of assault on a family member is set at $3,000 with conditions that you not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You are to have no direct or indirect communication with the victim in a threatening or harassing manner. You must not go within 200 yards of the residence or place of employment of the victim. or other specifically named places. Do you have any questions, sir?
Yes, Judge, I was wondering if I could request a PR bond?
Well, I don't give PR bonds on assault charges, so no, sir.
You don't?
Okay. All right. Anything else, sir?
I was just wondering if there was any way that would work this out where I can just continue and try to get back on my journey.
Okay. Yep, you can use a bondsman or you can come up with $3,000 cash. It's your thing. It costs you roughly 20% or 10%. I don't know what they're charging, but anywhere from $300 to $500 to obtain a bond from a bondsperson.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, sir. All right.
Let's see back.
Yeah.
Speak right in that mic, so Judge, can you?
Yes, sir, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand your rights as I read them to you, Mr. Davis?
Yes, sir, I do.
You have a charge, sir, of criminal trespass.
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney on that charge.
No, sir.
You don't furnish your own.
Yes, sir.
Public defender.
I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, but I want you to answer to the judge, okay? How long have you lived in Amarillo?
I've been here 11 years.
Do you have any family in town?
Yes, I do.
Who's here?
I have an aunt, brothers, cousins, just some few family members other than that.
Have you ever been in trouble before?
Just warrants and stuff like that, but other than like tickets for, warrants for tickets, but other than that, nothing else.
Do you have any misdemeanors or felonies in your past?
No, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
No,
Do you have any money to put toward a bond today?
no, I don't.
If the judge asked you to stay away from the address you were trespassed from, could you do that?
Yes, I could.
Your Honor, we would request a $500 PR bond.
Okay, so I will grant your request there, $500 personal bond. With conditions, you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas. Any other
Yes, sir.
state, those of the United States. You are not to go within 200 yards of the place where you were trespassed.
Sir.
You know where that is?
Yes, sir.
It was like you were arrested. That is not your residence, is that correct?
It was for a little bit. Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It should get you out today. Anything,
Okay.
as long as you show up to all your court dates.
Okay.
You'll
Yes, ma'am.
remain on bond.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do I
they-
need that
they-
paper again or no? The one
Yeah,
you-
they should give you a piece of
I don't
paper
have it
that-
with me. I'm gonna have to,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Moore, did you understand your constitutional rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
You have a charge out of Randall County for impersonating a public servant. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
I'll put you down for yes, but when you get back to Randall County, they may not be part of our system, so make sure you ask or request a court-appointed attorney when you return to Randall. Your
Yes,
bond
sir.
is
Does,
set.
do I have a hold?
Well, you have a $15,000 surety bond that they requested. And once you're done with all our charges, then you either make that bond of $15,000 or Randall County will come back and get you and take you to their facility. Okay. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Talley, my name is Judge Robert Taylor. I'm Justice of the Peace Precinct 2 in Amarillo. I'm going to magistrate you this morning or this afternoon. First, I will go over your constitutional rights. And if you have any questions concerning those rights, please address those concerns with me. I'll advise you of the charge brought against you and discuss bonding on that charge if you qualify. I'm only here to discuss this provision, not here to discuss your guilt or your innocence on the charge that is presented. That will be done by the court that is assigned to your case at a later date. It is the 22nd day of December 2025. It is 12:18 p.m. I, the undersigned, was taken before Robert Taylor, a magistrate at his office at the Potter County Courthouse, Amarillo, Texas, via a Zoom hearing, who informed me of the accusation against me, that I have the right to retain counsel, I have a right to remain silent, that I have a right to have an attorney present during any interviews I have with peace officers or attorneys representing the state. I have a right to terminate that interview at any time. I have a right to request appointment of counsel if I cannot afford counsel. That I have a right to an examining trial. That I'm not required to make any statement at all, but any statement I do make could be used against me in a court of law. Do you understand your rights, Mr. Talley?
Yes, sir.
You have charge here of murder. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on your charge, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'll put you down for yes. Public defender, you have anything to state on behalf of Mr. Talley?
I was just gonna ask him a few questions really quick, and then I'll be done.
Right.
Live here in Amarillo. Oh, answer for him so he can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any family here?
No, sir.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, sir.
Where are you working?
Affiliated today. Can you explain that better, please?
Could you put up any money to get you out of jail today?
Really don't.
Then just say you don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
We ask the circumstance to be reflected, Judge.
Due to the nature of your charge, there is no bond on this charge until a district judge will visit with you in the future, near future, and then if so, they will set the bond on you. Okay. Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.